Hi guys, it's me again. Just wanted to do a quick video. Today I am starting my heirloom tomatoes. I know I'm a little late in the season, but I'm going to do it anyway. And so I have this 72 cell tray. I've already done half that I filled with dirt, and you just want to push it down so it's kind of like a sponge cake consistency. Then I will put the seed in there, then sprinkle a little soil on top, and then just pat it down to make sure that they're in place and won't float away. I wanted to talk about my dirt mix. I used Jiffy seed starting mix, which is the organic one that I got at Walmart. And then to make it a little better, I added 4 scoops of worm castings to give it some nutrients. There's a lot of debate out there about adding worm castings to your seedling mix because a lot of people say, oh, it's supposed to be clean dirt, actually not dirt, but clean without any bacteria or anything. But I wanted to give them a good start with some good nutrients. In this soil mix, I also mixed some Azomite powder. I just did probably about 5 or 6 large spoonfuls, like tablespoons. And then I also put in 2 tablespoons of soluble seaweed powder, maxi crop. You're supposed to, dilute it with water and spray it on your plants, but since I was adding water into the mix, I put the kelp in there anyway. So hopefully this will be a good start for the tomatoes. Yesterday I did another Jiffy peat pellet set to just kind of compare, and I will let you guys know how the growth goes. If you have any questions, please post below, and thanks for watching. Bye guys.